Everybody thinks say I dey okay, but only God know what's in my heart. Oh, late night I no fit sleep again. Too many thoughts they flood my brain. Smile for outside, pain for inside. Still I dey tell everybody say I'm fine. Bills on the table, pressure too much. Some dreams fade when life gets rough, but every time we are almost break, I hear your voice telling me wake. And when the whole world feels cold, your love still reaches my soul.
Rain on my window, tears on my face. Still I dey find your mercy. Still I dey run to God. Rain on my window, they must fall. Hold me closer to darkness. Yeah, when my strength will get complete. Even in silence and darkness, your love still they reach me.
Some people they fight hidden battles, but nobody sees their scars. Some they laugh inside the public, then cry alone in the dark. Yeah. I know say life feel one person, I know say hope feel fade, but Chineke no they abandon. The souls wasted they pray. Oh. Holy Spirit, enter this room tonight, heal every tired heart. Wipe silent tears and teach us how to trust you again.
Heal every tired vessel.
Still I define your mercy.